Hi, welcome to College Algebra. I wanted to give you a quick tour of our Desire to Learn site just to get you started and point you in the right directions. So as you see, here's our class. If along the top here, there's course materials, activities, progress, and so on. So if we scroll down, there's announcements. So here's the first announcement is right here, and it will tell you what you need to do to get started. And then also, I have my math lab tour. And my math lab is the homework system we're going to be using. You'll read more about it in the syllabus. And here's the link for it. So here's the My Math Lab link that you'll follow. Course materials, if we go there next and we go to content, that'll show us everything we need to do week by week. And it includes videos for each of the weeks. So if we look at our first week here, we have these 3 sections that we're going to be looking at. Each one so first you'll do the getting to know the e-text and assignments just so you get to know your book better. And then you're going to look at 1-3. You're going to be looking at the video for the section that's brought by the publisher. So it's within My Math Lab. You'll watch that video. Then you'll do the homework, and then you'll do the reading assessment and the quiz. So each section has these 4 components that you're going to do. Okay, and that's outlined here. So notice the first week you're going to do some introductions. You want to do exponent symbols and screen capture. There's a content discussion, and then there's videos for the week. So if you go here, each section has an additional video that you can watch. And I really recommend these. These are by Marcus Swankowski. He's an award-winning teacher online, and he did some really helpful videos. So those are just backup too to what you have on My Math Lab. Okay, so if you'll notice here, the Getting Started module, that's what you want to do first. You can look at stuff in here, read about everything, and then if you get into the week by week, where are you at? Course materials, get into the first week and get started. Okay, if you have questions, please reach out to me. Let me know. I'm on my phone a lot, so I can get your emails pretty quickly and get back to you if you have any questions or anything's confusing. Oh, what we haven't talked about yet was we mentioned discussions really quick, but where are they? They're under activities. So you do activities, then discussions, and then you'd find your discussion posts for the week. Each week you have at least one. First week you have 3 just to get you started. All right. And as I said, reach out if you need help, and I look forward to working with you. Thanks.